Hello, this time we've got one of my American builds, the Corsair carry borne fighter from the 1940s and 50s. This is, I think, a Revell kit. I might be wrong, can't remember, it's a while since I built it, but quite a good kit, to be honest. It's a nice big movable propeller at the front. I think this comes off, but I wouldn't. Yeah, I wouldn't fiddle with it. But you can leave it unglued if you want to for moving it. Like the Hawker Sea Fury, you got the leading edge wing root radiator vents or entry points, whatever the technical term is. I've obviously failed on that technical information. I've built this so that the tanks can come off. I've done a little bit of weathering underneath to simulate some smoke staining. The colours themselves, I had a mix really, and it was a good experience to try and mix different colours, and because I mixed them in a way so they were quite thinly mixed, the finish, although it's just brushed on, is quite smooth, which is not too bad in my reckon. I've obviously modelled the canopy open, and though I can't see it to zoom in, but you've got decals for the cockpit instrument panel. There's a joystick, and as usual I've used tammy tape for the seat belts. Mine's not clear today. So, good set of decals. No obvious silvering that I can notice. And the blue is according to the ratio that the kit suggests. Nice bit of panel detail there, I think. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but they've got a nice ripple in the skin of the wing and on the elevators. There's plenty of space to model the vents open there. And as I say, on the underside you've got different colours which you have to mix yourself. And the wheel wells are realistically sized, so you can imagine the wheel fitting in them. It's very complicated to put together undercarriage, though. That's one thing I remember I had a problem with, was how complicated the construction was, because there's about 3 or 4 parts for that, and for a 172 build that's quite a lot of parts for undercarriage. It's a good kit though, I recommend it if you see it. I can't remember the kit number offhand, but it's a famous aviator who, as you can see by the number of Japanese flags, he was quite busy. So there we are. I haven't put the wiring on there, but that's something I can do in the future if I decide. Nice little engine detail too, I thought that was good for this kit. You can see that. Quite a good, there we go, does it come off? No, it doesn't, I thought it did, but yeah, quite a detailed engine compartment. And because how tight the fixing is, you can put these drop tanks on and off, so that's always fun to do. Not that I'm doing that all the time, I'm not playing like a kid, but if you did, there's no reason to be ashamed, because it would be a fun hobby, isn't it? Decal walkways could have quite easily been painted on, but I didn't. And you've got to be careful, because there's a lot of black line decals which you've got to be very carefully smooth as you're taking them off. Best to put them on and draw the paper from underneath as you're pulling them off the decal sheet. So it's a technique you probably see somebody doing on another video somewhere else. Anyway, I'm waffling now because I've run out of things to say. but the video shows it all. That's the result of the Revell kit for the Corsair. Bye bye.